Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
See you Monday. It's Hababa. See you Monday.
Monday, bye-bye.
They can ask that. Yeah.
Let's go. Welcome guys to YouTube Trading live session. So I'm just gonna share my screen because I am looking at a pair NASDAQ. There's a trade setup on NASDAQ. Let's share the screen. Let's go. So what I'm looking at NASDAQ is on the 30-minute time frame. I'm looking at this demand zone on NASDAQ. This is also your support. So I'm waiting for a confirmation to take a buy from this 30-minute demand zone right here. But I would wait for a market structure shift on the lower time frame. So on the 1-minute time frame, I'm waiting for a break above this. If the price action breaks above this, I will be targeting a 1-to-1 on NASDAQ. I will be targeting a 1-to-1 on NASDAQ if the price action gives us a market structure shift above this. Meanwhile, also let's look at gold as well, because gold, I see like it's in a very tight range. It's in a very tight range on the 30-minute time frame. This whole range right here. As long as the price action is inside this range, I'm not touching gold, not trading gold. For gold, I'm only looking for buys above this or sells below this if a closure happens. But I would be looking for a break above this and then a pullback retest from here would be my buy entry on gold. And for the sells, I want to see candles closing below, a retest of any BDRA rejection and take a sell. But in this range, like I'm not planning anything. Let's get back to NASDAQ. So I guess NASDAQ is giving a market structure shift right here, the 1-minute time frame. I just want to see some candles closing above from this 1-minute market structure shift. Little bit of pullback and then get into a buy position. It's very important for the candles to start printing above market structure shift. Only then I can say that this 30-minute demand zone is valid. Meanwhile, let's look at some messages as well from you guys. What's up, guys? What's up?
Hey, how are you?
Hey Anand, hi.
I'm on gold buys actually. I think I'll probably exit.
Nice.
Damn.
Where did you bought it from?
I took it at 70. 70, I think I took it at the bottom.
Yep. Yeah, I guess like after breaking above this London
Yeah, I took
highs,
around 78. Like,
man, beautiful. I'm looking at on NASDAQ for a buy or 1 to 1. So here I'm gonna execute a buy. Stop is gonna be below this low, and I'm gonna target a 1 to 1 on this. Let's go.
yeah, I think it will push up. NASDAQ, right?
Yeah, like it tapped
I'm
into
on,
this 30-minute order block, and on
I'm
the
on,
1 minute,
I'm on buys as well.
seeing like if it can close above this market structure shift, continue pushing up. Still in early position, but I'm just
So, how are you?
taking a chance on this 30-minute order block. Oh, gold just pumped crazy. This is 1 minute candle pushed up like 130 pips. There's no news or something, but this reaction is crazy.
What music coming from your side, Kasim?
Hmm?
There is a music coming from your side.
Yep.
Music and trader.
News is in 21 minutes. It's core PPI and yes, it's core PPI news.
There is some music coming from your.
Man, like this gold looks extremely bullish to me. Like the way the candles are respecting this, the daily candles are bullish, your weekly is bullish, and I believe like this whole 4 hour consolidation is indicating that price action can break above. Let's see. Nasdaq pretty much like from this 1 minute market structure shift, it dropped and it's taking a rejection from this area. If this reclaims above this high, then I will be adding more risk to this position because this will now eventually will be uh, a break of structure for me to the upside. Boss. Yep, we're back in. We're back in the game on Nasdaq. Now I just want to see if we can have a break of structure above this. Man, I'm show your watch, man. It's crazy.
Oh, yeah, a lot of people like it. Like
Yeah,
it
I
has
like
like
it. It looks very good.
yeah, it's a limited. I have the other one also. There is a black rose gold one. I don't know where it is. I love watches by the way.
Yeah, it
I
looks
love
good.
collecting watches. Nasdaq is trying to push down. If it breaks, it will fall.
Yeah,
It's at a
this is
very
a this
good.
is a make or break point because if this breaks now, like it will eventually go to my stop
Yeah,
loss.
it's a very good key level.
Yeah.
So what's happening? There is some music going on from your side, Kasif.
Oh yes, there's clashes and skirmishes happening in Pakistan
Yeah,
this month.
are you playing some music there?
Playing some music.
Yeah, are you playing some music? There is a music sound coming from your side.
Let me check. Yeah, is it fine now?
Yeah, I'm hoping Nasdaq should fly from here. But yesterday I heard like there was a news media dropped some.
Mm,
Going to push up more.
gold is especially no Nasdaq. Like I think like now it's a very low probability because if it had to go up, like it would have gone up from here. But
Yeah,
no,
I think Nasdaq will drop.
I'm just gonna keep my stop loss like below this order block on the 30 minute. Most of the times, like price action just goes deep into the order block and then back. Let's see. But I'm not just limited to this trade on Nasdaq. I'm also looking at this liquidity below right here. You see, so if Nasdaq drops today at NYSE open, then I will also be looking for buys from this zone, this area.
Okay.
So this will be more high probability this zone right here. If you look at the 5 minute time frame, yep, this.
I want Nasdaq to push up, but it's gonna break this low.
Yeah,
Gold is gonna come. I think gold will come little retracement. I think it's gonna push back.
yes.
It's a good
I think
order block level.
it can retrace down to this level.
Hmm. What a
This
spike, man! Wow. Like nothing there. There is no nothing. Sudden spike.
the seams of it like it doesn't want to come down. Like this time I think like it wants to break above this 5200 area. And I guess like this is the first this is like the second time a candle is closing above 5200. Yeah, you see, it wants to go. If we break above this wick, then it's gonna
Wow.
trade
That was another push.
this high. I don't know. Maybe there might be some news from Trump or something. Let me check Forex Factory because this move is cannot be
Crazy.
justified like without a news.
I
So
was expecting.
Forex Factory,
He
you
announced. He
made
announced war in the morning. I think that.
I guess this could be the impact. The U.S. State Department has ordered the evacuation of non-essential personnel and their families from the embassy in Baghdad, according to Al Arabia. So yeah, like
Mm.
apparently they're bringing their officials back from Iran, Baghdad, Iraq. There might be something related to news or something, and it just gave a push to gold. Now, we can look at this swing point because it could be a liquidity right here as well. Meanwhile, Nasdaq is just dancing in this 30-minute OB on the 1 minute.
It's deciding whether to break or fly, like go
Yeah,
down.
you want to share your screen?
No, I don't have any charts. Like I have not arranged also. You can leave yours, not an issue.
Mhm.
So I exited at 194. Shit. I thought of
Man,
re-entry, okay, on retracement. I usually don't do that. I don't know what happened to me today. Okay, I thought okay, I'll enter in retracement and I got punished for it.
and how much was your risk in the
Like
five
my
minute?
risk was literally zero. It was at break even. It was live account and the lot size was around 1.27. I would have made another $2,000 on the top of $1,500.
Nice.
It is what it is. What is Nasdaq doing?
No, it's just gonna drop like it's going deep
I
in
think
the
it's gonna break the low and fall.
yeah. This whole week, like markets stayed very low volume. Gold, like throughout the week, like was just ranging uh, in this consolidation range from 5170 to 5200.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, Nasdaq, I guess it's an SL.
Yeah, it's also gonna hit this. So.
I'm just gonna see now if how it takes out the liquidity and then I really don't feel like trading today, to be honest.
Like I think gold will buy, but like I
Hmm.
don't know. It's like I thought of some retracement for me to re-enter now, though I'm like stuck. I don't know where to enter.
Where,
I shouldn't have
where
closed my.
the price action moves are all the moves already happened. There's no clean setup at the moment because
Hmm.
if you look at gold, this was the A plus move for today, where the price action breaks above London highs, retest the London highs as support, and then it just moves up from here. This setup is done. Now, obviously, selling here or buying here is not a good decision on gold. It needs to give a pullback for buys. If you look at Nasdaq, Nasdaq is kind of like still respecting 30-minute OB. Yep. And you see, like how it just extracted from deep order block. I'm
Let's
still,
see.
I'm still in
Let's,
this. Like, I'm
let's
still
see
in
whether
this.
it goes some crazy moves.
Yeah.
So my analysis is almost same. Nasdaq I took buy because of very good support level, and I took on the order block mitigation, but it keeps on forming lower low, and that's pretty much it. Gold I was on buy bias because of Trump issued, like he announced a war warning in the morning. I was on buy in the morning. It moved 150 pip, then it dropped and took at myself. But I was sure it will push up before the New York Open, so I was on buy. And my TP was around where we are at 48. But I just booked some so that I can retrace and take back, but it flew. Right now I'm stuck. I won't be able to take a trade right now.
Hmm. Now you see this 5 minute candle on Nasdaq. If the following candle closes bullish, then this 30-minute setup can play out. Gold is just golding right now. It's just golding right now.
Flew again. Wow. I think my TP will hit without even me. Oh my god.
With these two 15-minute candles, like it's
30.
420 pips.
Eritrean news. I think it will hit my TP, man. It is near my TP already. Crazy, man. Crazy. I would have made 900. Oh, 3,000. Where is Nas? What is Nasdaq?
Yep, and I take a drop. Gold,
Drop?
yeah. Same, it's just in this 30-minute OB.
No, not gold. I'm asking Nasdaq.
Yeah, it's dropping now.
Oh, it dropped. Nasdaq is gonna go down.
Gold, I'm looking for some scalp shorts now, like from this 1 hour supply. This dodgy candle will be confirmation for a drop on gold.
Mhm.
Let's see. Just anticipating right now. There's no confirmations as of now.
There is a news in another 5 minutes, right?
Yes, in 5 minutes. Anand, please share your analysis, share your chart.
I think I already told. Let me
There's some
just.
people asking. They want to see your swing targets on gold.
It's already was near, man. I'm just irritated. It's almost near my TP.
Imagine like if this 4 hour breaks above,
It will
then
fly. It will fly.
yeah, like if it breaks above this, like then it could go all time highs. Even look at silver, like look at the structure on silver. It's just pushing into this clean drop.
Uh,
Are you going to find another all time high?
I think my screen is getting shared. So
Yes.
I bought here exactly. My entry was here in this OB. I bought here. I was thinking, okay, there will be rejection here. There is an order block. I exited. Next candle, it fly. My full TP was at here exactly, like 48 area. It's almost near my TP. Ah, missed some good payout, but it's okay. I'll catch it next week. Easy peasy full TP. 94, 24, 215, 224, 34, 400 pips.
News just came. They dropped gold kind of like drop from this one over. I don't know, 1 minute time frame. Like that dodgy candle. Crazy.
NASDAQ just dropped.
Hmm. This is good because
No,
now I can look buys from the bottom.
NASDAQ is gonna drop more. You
Yeah.
can. This is my next TP level. Look at it respecting the levels. I think gold is going to give us retracement and probably this area. If it comes here, it's a beautiful buy here, but I don't think it will come there.
Hmm. Like on the 1 minute, it just took another rejection and pushing up.
I would have bought here if it had swept here.
And I will stay away from the like
Yeah,
there is
today I
not
think I'm also going to stay away. Like my TP is almost done. So
yeah
just get rid. I
you,
just got saw the spike and I thought there will be retracement and I exited. Then it got just rallied. Beautiful
even
order
if
block.
what's
Huh?
your thought process? There's a member asking what's your thought process according to news. Honestly, like I think like this is the first time in this week gold is breaking above a range.
Yeah.
So for today, like I'll just skip and we'll come back on Monday with a new price action and new setup. Because I believe like if you were not in a buy on gold uh, from 51.86, you have already missed the major move. I have missed it as well. Anand, congratulations, you were in this
I
range,
just
but
I just took 10% of the move, but it's okay. Profit is profit. I'm not. I made like 2,000. Still good.
you were
I just
almost
sat.
like I think like it skyrocketed after 5 minutes after you closed.
Yeah, not 5 minutes, man. The next 1 minute candle just pumped up. It's fine. It is what it is. Anyhow, I think just enjoy the weekend, guys. Market might go crazy today. Like, I will just stay away. I don't want to burst any of my accounts. Funding pips, I think I have logged in already like 2.5% on a 250K account. So I'm just gone. By the way, I was so before I haven't tried account merging like few months, been like almost 6 months, 7 months. So I just requested for account merging. Usually it takes 2 days or 3 days. Okay. Guess what? It just happened like in fraction of a second. They support that account is merged. It's like wow.
Yeah.
So if you
There's
guys
another
want,
there's one
this is
more
only
thing
on
like
time. You guys can't
if
merge challenge
I have
pieces.
seen some posts like on funding pips, you can withdraw your payouts to Tradin, which is a broker
Yeah, I
platform.
tried that yesterday. I tried yesterday.
Yeah, if you withdraw your profit to payouts to Tradin, like it's also instant, fraction of a second. This is actually really good. Like you can get your payout instantly to Tradin broker, and then you can start trading from there. No need to wait for the payout.
Chalo, I think it's gonna come back a little and probably you guys can look for buys later on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna call it a day. It's
Okay, let's
time here.
log off. See you guys next week. So thank you. Bye.
Before I go, I'm just gonna talk about NASDAQ high time frames. Let me just share my screen. Okay, so on Nasdaq, like I'm just gonna talk about the weekly candle. Weekly candle has closed. If you look at the weekly time frame, there are rejections from the top right here, multiple wick rejections, price drop, and then it tried to push back up with this bullish weekly. And even like this whole week, Nasdaq weekly candle was bullish, but we got rejected from, I would say, from this wick high. If this weekly candle closes bearish like this, next week I'm expecting a drop on Nasdaq. Expecting a drop on Nasdaq. So if Nasdaq has to drop, then gold will be pumping next week. And also, just look at the overall trend on Nasdaq. It will, I guess, will drop down to these, take out these liquidity or something. Yeah. Gold right now just fell from this 1 minute supply. After tapping into this supply on the 1 minute, I don't know if you guys seen. I was interested in this doji as a reversal candle, and then it took a move of like 240 points. US 30 on the weekly is also weekly candle closing bearish. Yeah, interesting. This is what I'm interested in on US 30. You see these wicks right here. Next week, if the price action drops, take some rejection or a market structure shift on the 15-minute, 30-minute time frame, there could be a buy possibility. Take care, guys. Take care. Just gonna call it a week. Enjoy.